Hey guys, I am Tracker Southern Pacific Railfan here today. We're at the California State Railroad Museum taking a tour. So let's do this. Hello. So first off, we have some lights and bells. Oh, what is this way? Scam. Got a crossing bell. Oh god. And got. Yep, cheap. Cheap. Oh, yeah, look at this. It's a signal. Nice. It's a nice signal. Cool. Coolio. Path through the mountains, Sierra Nevada. Donner Pass. Here is Central Pacific #1. 440 steam locomotive. Real nice. Again, Central Pacific #1 440 steam locomotive. It's real nice steam locomotive for 440. That's a lot of track for one day. Here we have Virginia and Truckee #12. This is a 440, and I believe this one still runs. I'm not sure, and then we have a standard gauge wheel set here, truck or whatever. No, not a truck. It's a wheel set. Got some guns and whatnot. Wait, why is there a gun in a railroad museum? Anyway, we got some Nevada Central Railway narrow gauge cars, passenger cars. And you got a Monterey Salmons Valley passenger car narrow gauge, because that's what it looks like. Here we have North Pacific Coast #12. This is also a 440. Real nice. Oh, here's a Virginia and Truckee #16 baggage and coach car. What else is there in this museum? Some new stuff anyway.
Or you can clear out something.
Oh my god, what the heck is this? Folly Bros box cab diesel locomotive. Oh my god, this thing is ugly. What the heck? This thing is ugly as crap. Okay. I don't know when they got this, but okay, whatever. Oh, I think this is a powered one. One of those powered things. Hold on. This is a crap. Yeah, what is? I'm kind of rushing through this. Sorry about that, but oh, what the heck? Oh, here, there's a sign. Nevada Way Copper Belt, Oregon. That's what it says. Okay, okay, yeah, that one's powered. I know that one. I know that much. Oh, we got a PFE refrigerator, which I'll show you right now. Got some switches. Oh, it looks like it's simulating when the fruit gets packed. Oh, you can see up there. You got some getting ice in the thing, which I'll show you in here. Which we have ice. This is the ice where This is old style reefer, so now you know how it works. There's giant blocks of ice, and there's a giant fan, and the ice cools the fruit. You can see all the fruit brands too. That's a lot of brands. See it outside. Looks like a little TV here. Images. That's cool. If you hear a whistle in the background, I'll show you that in a minute. Here we have another car. That's really cool. A Georgia Northern observation car. We got some Amtrak. Burlington Zephyr. See inside there, I think. Yeah, you can see me in the reflection. Cool. And we got some silverware and whatnot. Northern Pacific, Union Pacific, and Southern Pacific. See, got our kitchen in there. Sorry if I'm rushing, I just don't have a lot of time. Because I'm here with my family, so I don't have a lot of time to film. But don't worry, the next video will be a long. Yeah. And I mean like probably like 45 minutes long. My longest video ever. Besides live streams, because those don't count. I don't count them as videos, I just count them as live streams. But we got a Siemens replica of a high-speed rail. We could actually enter it right now.
You have to really look like this.
Vivian, don't push. No, don't push each other, Vivian.
Okay, seats. I'm gonna go over to SPN. Look at it. Southern Pacific 462 Pacific 2467. And its sister, I forgot what it was called, what number it was, but it runs, and now it's Canyon Railway. See inside the cab. It looks like an oil burner, because there's no coal load up there. Let's go down here. Oh, damn, I skipped a step. Sorry.
Come here. Let's wait.
Now you may have noticed we have some cars over here which we can go in, so let's go do that right now. Yes. Exactly. Got a big exhaust things. Here's the main line of the Union Pacific Martinez subdivision. Look out there, and sometimes Amtrak and Union Pacific come by. And if a train comes by, I will film it for you guys. If a train comes by. There's a Canadian National Sleeper. We can go in it. And it actually is rocking. like if it was, you know, if it was in operation, but
Hi.
huh. A little private lounge here. Private lounge area. Someone's sleeping. Wake up! I said please be quiet, but guess what? I don't. Anyway, here we have a turntable. They turn their stuff if they want to put it in the museum. Here we have a Santa Fe diner car. Walk down this hallway. Wait, this is not Amtrak?
Good morning.
Good morning. Central. Sacramento Locomotive Works sign over there. Used to be the ex-Southern Pacific Sacramento shops. Now it's owned by the California State Railroad Museum. I have no idea if I'm talking loud enough, but yeah. Now we're gonna go see what that whistle's coming from. And you'll see it's the biggest thing here. Tap forward. Tap forward steam locomotive. And we're gonna go in the cab.
Then I feel like you start meeting more people. Like,
Back, back, back. Mommy, let's go.
Good morning.
Morning. Okay. And we got CP Huntington, 424. Weird mansion actually. And this is the biggest thing you see, 124294 cat forward, 4882. It's the last cat forward ever built, and it's the last cat forward to ever exist. This is a long locomotive. Okay, so look, I'm gonna stand right here. Hey, how's it going? And see how big it is. Real huge steam locomotive. If you turn around, you got a Virginia Truckee Railroad 260. Why is there a phone? Let me figure it out. Huh. Dumb.
Board meeting, so you don't have a saddle. There you go.
It's sad that the only calf whoopers that's left. But the president of Southern Pacific at the time didn't want to do anything with them. So that happened. Now we're gonna go upstairs. This is the first cat board. Now we're gonna go upstairs and see the model trains. And that's exciting. They have all scales up there. So let me go find the staircase. Mom, can I go upstairs?
What?
Go upstairs.
You're gonna go upstairs?
Yeah.
Alma.
Can I go upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. Sorry, I gotta do that because... Okay, so you got toy trains. Not toy trains, they're model trains, but okay. So we're gonna go up the creepy staircase. Going up the creepy staircase. Going up the creepy staircase. There's 2467. Here we are. Oh dang. Feels like I was climbing Mount Everest. First, we're supposed to see the models. Oh my god, I want to steal them all. Especially the HO ones. We got a Nevada short line 260, my bad. Number 1. This is the narrow gauge line. Got a Southern Pacific boxcar here. Oh my god, that guy scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, I didn't see him. Got a tank car. This is a nice tank car, actually. I like the old style tank cars, but I like tank cars in general because something about them. I don't know. Caboose. And a random guy. If those mannequins moving, I am out. Like out. 100% I'm out. But yeah. I'm gonna go through the creep staircase. Oh my god, it's... Wow, look at these photos. That one's made by J. Alex Long. Todd. These are nice photos, man. Like, holy crap. Building America. Building America. Yes, they are. Oh, look at this. Model of President Abraham Lincoln's funeral car. That's nice. I want to steal that. No. Okay, maybe. Not because I hate President Lincoln, but I just want that model. I don't know. Oh my god, it's a gun. It's a gun. We don't need guns at the California State Railroad Museum. It's a railroad museum, not a California State Gun Museum. False advertising. That's Thomas crap. Don't need that. We're too old for Thomas. We need the models. The real models. Here we have a miniature. No, I forgot. I don't know what gauge this is. It's the Southern Pacific. No, not Pacific. 260. 1828. Here's the models. The thing we're all been waiting for. Z scale. Then we got O scale stuff. Over here we got the N scale stuff. Vinny, eat your heart out. I don't care, just take anything. I will steal it for you. I will come back here and I will full on steal it for you. Just eat your heart out. But now this is the thing I'm eating my heart out at. All the HO stuff. Oh, that model though, I want it. Oh, this one too. This one too. I got that one. Challenger. E8. Oh, E6. Oh my god, I want them all. Dang.
This one is pretty cool.
If they were for sale, I would totally buy one right now. Like, no joke. Got some S scale. Nice. Got some O scale. Train Room Gary. Here's your O scale stuff, I guess. And you got your G scale. Large. Oh, here we have some Lionel template stuff. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Look there. Look you there.
The track is clear. The green signal light glows steadily. And yes, here they come, those magnificent Lionel trains. Boy, what real.
That's cute. Looks like got a workshop here. It's really cool to see all this template stuff, right? It's really nice. Template. Oh, let's see. Push to activate. Oh, it tells you how it works. Wow. I dropped my headphones. Hold on, I'm thirsty. Water's good for you. Hiawatha Lionel lines. Steam locomotive. Pre-war. Look at all this pre-war stuff. It's just magnificent. Look at that. Pre-war stuff galore. Any pre-war Lionel fans, eat your heart out with everything that you can see here. Let's go down the stairs and go to the gift shop because they even have a gift shop. Every rail machine should have a gift shop. But if you don't, then that's not worth going for. Oh, on our way down the stairs, we got a Blue Jay Western narrow gauge locomotive. Big narrow gauge actually. But yeah, let's go down these stairs and go to the gift shop. Maybe I'll buy some stuff. So many stairs. There's the Cat Ford again. I wish more Cat Fords were preserved. But sadly, that's not the case with the Cat Fords. They're all gone. Except for this one. Because this one's cool. It's the only one left, and I'm thankful that I can see it every once in a while. It's at its home. This Cat Ford is home. It's home. And that's a fact. Mom, let's go to the gift shop now. Yeah, let's go to the gift shop. I'm done. Yeah, come on. I'll meet you there. Again, sorry about that. It's not my fault I have family, but I just left that Genie River walking around the museum filming. So let's go see the gift shop. They actually have a good variety at the gift shop. Really. They really do. But yeah. Nice and empty. That Cat Ford is not going anywhere. If it does, I'm gonna be pissed. Whoever scrapped it is gonna build it again. But let's go to the gift shop. Shop,
I think he's right.
I was just gonna turn it to my desk. Mine will be like that one's easy.
I like turning because I'm walking.
All that matters is that this is oh wow!
Here is all the DVDs they have. Oh, we got Challenger 3985. Recipe and narrow gauge. Nice. Got some books. Lots of books. Lots and lots and lots and lots and books. Got some signs over here. I think I'm still on Zoom. Yeah. Sorry about that, folks. Donner Pass. Southern Pacific. Locomotives. I am talking weird, and I don't want to be like that guy that talks weird. But, got lots of DVDs over here, man. Buy anything.
You're not going to find dog stuff here. I don't think so. You guys, here's a duck for the back that's dressed like a railroad conductor person.
Wait, what is
I don't know. Oh, it's a compass.
nice?
Yeah, I don't know that you would really care about it.
Lots of stuff.
Oh, it's like a magnifying glass.
Cool.
Things bigger.
Cool stuff.
That's for the back.
Go over here now.
Oh, yeah. Because then they come in here and we're supposed to do for something.
Big patch. Where is it? Oh, yes, they have them. Oh my god, they have the Jupiter. They have the Jupiter. Wow, they have the Jupiter. Holy crap. I'm surprised they don't have 119. I'm surprised. Surprised they don't have 119. That's a sin, man. Can't have the golden spike if you don't have 119. That's a fact. Got some pins here. Lots and lots of pins. I am collecting pins. I will buy some more pins today too. We got some shirts. Got lots and lots of shirts. Shirts galore. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.